Most of the complicated finance decisions involve cash flows that stretch out longer than a year. Therefore, we need to consider the time value of money. Thus far, we have solved for the unknown future value. Now we will solve for the unknown present value. Suppose you will receive $5,000 3 years from now. If you can earn 5.4% on your savings, how much is this future cash flow worth to you today? Again, drawing a timeline is a useful way to visualize that we know the interest rate, the number of years, and the future value, but that we are solving for the unknown present value. To do it, we just use a little algebra. Before, the formula was present value is equal to the future value times the product of 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of the number of years. Using this example, we have 5,000 of future value is equal to an unknown present value times the product of 1 plus the rate of 5.4% raised to the power of 3 annual periods. If we move the part of the equation that is 1 plus the interest rate raised to the number of years over to the other side of the equation, it becomes the denominator. The known future value is the numerator. This basic step converts our initial formula into one that we can now use to solve for an unknown present value. To state the present value formula, the present value is equal to the future value of $5,000 divided by the product of 1 plus the interest rate of 5.4% raised to the power of 3. The answer then is $4,270.20. What this means then is that $4,270.20 now is equivalent to $5,000 received at the end of 3 years if the initial $4,270.20 is compounded annually at 5.4%. Or to reword it, we would be just as happy receiving $4,270.20 today as we would $5,000 in 3 years, knowing that we could invest that money at 5.4% for 3 years. To complicate matters a little, when we solve for the present value, we use the term discount rate instead of interest rate. Thus, the concept of discounting the future values to the present value. To restate it then, the formula to solve for the present value is the present value is equal to the future value divided by the product of 1 plus the annual discount rate raised to the power of the number of years. If discounting occurs at a frequency other than annually, we follow the same convention we used earlier. We divide the annual discount rate by the number of discounting periods per year, and we have to multiply the number of annual periods by the number of periods within the year. In conclusion, this overview of the time value of money has demonstrated how a basic formula can be adjusted to solve for the missing present value or future value of a series of cash flows.